The flange nut is one of two flanges that secure the grinding wheels to your grinder. It has a 5/8 inch threaded hole so it can be secured to the grinder's spindle. One side has a 7/8 inch hub for attaching standard grinding wheels to the grinder. The other side is flat and can be used to secure thin cutting discs or diamond wheels. The hub on the flange nut can wear over time, causing the grinding wheel to wobble. Replacing the flange nut is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the flange nut from the spindle. To do that, I'll press the lock button on the gearbox, and then I can remove the flange nut. Now I can install the new clamping flange. The grinding wheel or cutting disc that I'm using will determine which way I install the flange. If I'm using a regular grinding wheel, I would install the flange with the 7/8 hub against the wheel. If I was using a cutting disc or a diamond wheel, I would install the flange with the flat side against the wheel. I thread the clamping nut onto the spindle. Again, use the lock button to lock out the spindle and the wrench to tighten the nut. And that's how simple it is to install a new flange nut on your grinder.